Papasok.
Bumilang.
Hello, Jen.
Ulit. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, Jen. Maligayang bati sa pagdating ng inyong pagharap sa dambana kasama ni Kevin. Salamat, anak, at ihanda mo na ang sarili mo sa pag-iisang may bahay. Sana matapos na malulhati at mapagpala ang inyong papakasal. God bless you both.
Hi Jennifer! Hi Kevin! Congratulations! It's been a long time na naging couple kayo, and now you're facing the family life. I wish you all the best. Sana maging maayos lahat, and wishing you a healthy and blessed married life.
Hi Jen and Kevin! Congratulations to both of you. May you increase your tribe, and I wish only the best on your married life. And don't forget that we love you so much.
Yeah.
Cheers!
Hi Ate Jen, hi Kuya Kevin. I'm the youngest cousin of Ate Jen. I hope you have a very happy and a marriage that's full of laughter, and I hope you're always healthy and always safe and have many kids. Congratulations!
Many kids.
Hi Ate Jen! Best wishes sa inyo ni Kuya Kevin. Sana ma-enjoy ninyo yung married life niyo, and sa honeymoon, good luck!
Marunong na.
So from all of us,
Congratulations!